Hi everyone, welcome to Sure Classes. In this video we will construct an incircle of an equilateral triangle, whose length of each side is 6.5 centimeters. Before drawing the incircle, I request to you please subscribe channel, like the video, and watch the video till the end. Let's start the video. Well, first off, I'll draw a line segment of length 6.5 centimeters. So this is a line segment of 6.5 centimeters, perfect. Now again drawing here a line segment of length 6.5 centimeters, labeling the end points with B and C. Next measuring the length 6.5 centimeters with the help of compass and putting the compass on the point B and C and drawing arcs by this way. Both arcs intersect at A. Next first joining B and A, then joining point at and C to complete our required equilateral triangle. Next we have to bisect angle B and angle C, putting the compass on B and taking any radius, draw an arc, putting the compass here and taking same radius to draw an arc by this way, again with same radius putting the compass here and draw an arc. Joining this, and it is a bisector of angle B. Next, by similar way, I am going to bisect the angle C. So it is a bisector of the angle C. Both bisectors intersect at a point O. Now drawing a perpendicular line from the point O to the line segment BC. First off, all putting the compass on the point O and taking a length by this way and draw an arc. With same length putting the compass here and draw an arc. Again with same length putting the compass here and draw an arc. Joining this, and it meet the line segment BC at a point. So labeling here point D. Measuring the length OD and making a round to draw incircle. So this is the required incircle of the equilateral triangle of length 6.5 centimeters each side, writing 6.5 centimeters on the three side of the equilateral triangle by this way perfectly. Now measuring the length of the radius of the incircle, and it is 1.7 centimeters approximately. So radius of the incircle is 1.7 centimeters approximately. That's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please subscribe channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.